Good morning. This is my English project. I'm gonna talk about Scarlett Johansson. When did she decided that she wanted to become actress? She's a professional actress since 1994. She started in this career because her mother take her to some auditions for participation in movies. When did she actually start acting? Age, place, and part. Scarlett Johansson was born in New York City on November 22nd, 1984. She began acting as a child, and her role in the movie The Horse Whisperer brought her critical acclaim at the age of 13. When and how does she work, practice, or prepare a movie? She trains in a gym where most of Marvel filming takes place. She does most of the time squats and push-ups. Specifically for Black Widow, she focused on building strength and functional movement. How did she deal with the audition process? Scarlett was not even an actress put through this process, and she has strong words for anyone who suggests she was. How did she handle though competition? She managed very well the competition against the other actresses, but the only problem was that she and her husband were very competitive, and that was the reason because their relationship ended. Where did she study? She started studying in a school named PS 41 in New York. After she finished their studies there, she went to the Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute, and finally she ended up in a college in New York named Professional Children's School, which did she consider to be the top school of acting. For her, the best school for acting is where she attended in the past, the one named Professional Children's School. Which kinds of acting work pay better? Call center, social media assistant, teaching, driving. Which is her least favorite acting job? She told that did not like anything acting as a Japanese character in the movie Ghost in the Shell. Also in a film about prostitution ring leader Dante Tex Gill. What is the best part of being an actor? The best part of acting is that you enjoy and have fun of being part of a cast of actors that make also the role play. Also the characters they receive they enjoy to make their best effort for the movie. What traits should actors have? Creativity, memorization skills, persistence, physical stamina, reading skills, and speaking skills. How long does an acting career last? It is not exactly for each actor the time they will be acting, but the average career length is 28 years per actor. How does her deal with fans? She deals with her fans when having an interview talking with them, also making donations to poor people, and she also signs autographs to her fans. How many fans does she have? Scarlett is the 31st most popular contemporary actress and the 27th most famous, so that means that she has millions of fans around the world. What are the best costumes? The one of the Black Widow, the one of the little black dress, the one of the 50s fancy, and the one of the casual look. Thank you very much.